Research has shown that love can be cultivated. There must be a spark of interest at first, but how deep someone falls in love will usually be a result of the things you do and the effort that is put into the relationship. Though you can never force a person to like you, and should never try, even if you could, there are definitely some psychology-based dating tips that can help you learn how to get a guy to like you. These are 10 psychological mind tricks backed by research that you can use to make him fall for you. 1. Compliment him, just not all the time. Most guys don't get complimented frequently, so when they do hear a compliment, they tend to love it. The only problem is that compliments lose their significance if you hear them all the time. By spacing out compliments to a max of once per day, it keeps him on his toes. 2. Let him talk about himself. People love to talk about themselves. We are our own favorite subjects, even if we aren't all narcissists by nature. By asking him questions about himself and getting him to open up, you're making him like you more by indulging him in his favorite topic of conversation. This is your chance to listen carefully, make eye contact, and show true interest in what they are saying to create a connection. 3. Touch him casually. Slight touches on the body when you're with the guy you like can make them psychologically feel warmer towards you. You can give small touches like touching him on his back, arm, shoulder, or leg, as they are likely to exchange the touch and give you something back in return. 4. Don't be afraid to show him your flaws. A lot of women tend to want to hide their flaws and look perfect as a way to attract men. Though you definitely don't have to show all your flaws immediately, showing him that you occasionally goof up makes you human to him, and it also shows him that you're not a fake. 5. Have a life outside of him. Do you know who loves being with a woman who makes her man the center of her universe? Abusers and people who are way too insecure to have a healthy relationship. By showing him that you're an independent woman who is balanced and not desperate for spending time with him, you're giving him the green light to pursue you without worrying about you becoming a stage 5 clinger. 6. Smile more. A study by researchers from Stanford University and the University of Duisburg-Essen found that people report a more positive interaction with someone when they are smiling. When you smile when you meet someone, chances are they might remember you more later on. Smiling can also lead to a more positive communication experience, and that can be helpful when you're wanting the guy you like to like you back. Smiling more often can signal to him that you enjoy his company and your time together, and he will most likely reciprocate the feelings if he smiles back whenever you smile at him. 7. Ask him for his opinion and advice. A guy will always appreciate you asking for his opinion on something or his advice because it gives him a sign that you respect him and want to know from him first about something. It makes him feel good about himself and great that you're asking him for that information. 8. Prolong your eye contact just a little bit longer. It's true. Studies have found that prolonged eye contact increases the likelihood that two people will fall in love. Social psychologist Arthur Aaron noted that the two biggest factors related to falling in love through eye contact are 1. The other person being reasonably appropriate and desirable, and 2. There being reason to believe they may be genuinely interested in you too. 9. Expect good things from him. Among psychologists, this is known as the Pygmalion effect, and it says that we tend to mold to the expectations that people set for us. If you think he's a jerk, then you'll behave in a way that will encourage him to be a jerk, even if it's on a subconscious level. So, expect him to be good to you, and he will be better to you than if you expected him to be mean. 10. Show your sense of humor. A guy likes a lot of banter, and when a woman has a sense of humor, it makes a man feel more attracted to a woman, and it can also make the person that you like you more, according to a study from researchers at DePaul University and Illinois State University. And there you have it, 10 psychology-based tricks that can significantly increase your chances of getting that special someone to notice you. Remember, these techniques are rooted in understanding human behavior and should be used with respect and genuine intentions. If you found these tips helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the Secret Psychology Society for more insightful content on the mysteries of the human mind. Your support helps us bring more thought-provoking content your way. Before you go, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which trick are you most excited to try? Or do you have any success stories from using psychology in your relationships? Share your experiences and let's continue the conversation. Remember, understanding each other is the first step towards building meaningful connections. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of psychology with us, and let's unlock the secrets of the mind together. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.